Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change color of tasks in ClickUp. And if you want to do this, most of the time you see videos that people are clicking right here directly on the task and you can change it. But guys, that is not true. Today I will show you how to do this, and it's not difficult because if you go right here to our own profile picture and we go right here to settings right there, you will find this page. And if you now go right here to spaces, you see right here the spaces that we created. So we are having right here a YouTube space and a team space. Now, if you want to change the color of the tasks, we can go right here to statuses, and then right now you will find this place right here. And now what you can do is you can add status right here if you want to do that. And if you click right here on this circle right there, you can change the color. So let's say if you want to do something, we can click right here on red. And if something is in progress, we do blue. And something is completed is green, and now we do apply changes. And now if I go back to my home tab, you see right here that we changed exactly the circle in this phase, the color of the tasks. So this is how you can change it. If you have any questions about it, please comment it down below. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.